Meet the SNK NST6 D95065B PCB card, your essential partner for MOTHER2 applications. This PCB card ensures smooth and efficient operations, making it an indispensable tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The SNK NST6 D95065B PCB CARD is your go-to for high-quality performance in MOTHER2 systems. This reliable printed circuit board guarantees smooth and efficient operation, making it a crucial component for both professional and DIY electronics projects. This high-quality printed circuit board ensures seamless and efficient operation, vital for both professional and DIY electronics projects. The MOTHER2 system, powered by the SNK NST6 D95065B PCB CARD. Known for its high reliability and efficiency, this component is essential in both industrial and consumer electronics. Whether it's precision in manufacturing or durability in everyday devices, the MOTHER2 system ensures optimal performance, making it a cornerstone for innovation and excellence in technology. The MOTHER2 system is a cornerstone for innovation and excellence, driving forward the future of technology. The SNK NST6 D95065B PCB CARD is a game-changer for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. For professionals, meanwhile, this component bridges the gap between professional-grade reliability and DIY accessibility, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of applications. Thank you for watching.